It only does it while Windows is loading. I just got done with the Windows thingy and now it's stopped. So, if you know what this is, can you, it sounds like it's coming more from the front than the back, and I got this computer about middle of August about, and I did this for like a week, and then it stopped doing it for about a month, around a little over a month, and then it just started doing it again, and I'm not sure what it is. It like if I were to turn this off right now and then turn it back on, it wouldn't do it, but um, it just does it a lot. I'm not sure what it is. My computer is not running any slower. It runs the exact same. It's just that noise. I mean, I looked into the event viewer and there's no like hard drive failures or any of that. So I don't think it's that. Um, I'm not sure if it's a fan or what it is. So if you know what it is, can you just help me out? Thank you.